How to sync older WhatsApp chat to your WhatsApp web. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can sync older messages of your WhatsApp on your WhatsApp web. Now before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First, open up your web browser and head over to web.whatsapp.com. After you're here, you will see your WhatsApp web. Now, what you'll need to do is you will need to log in using the QR code. So what happens is when you log in using your QR code or simply with your mobile phone, it basically syncs your WhatsApp chats and all the messages, including photos, videos, and everything that is currently on your mobile device onto the WhatsApp web. So to simply scan the QR code, you'll need to open up your WhatsApp on your phone. Then after that, tap on the three dots or the settings icon on the WhatsApp. If you're on iPhone, tap on the settings on the bottom right and then tap on linked devices. Then tap on link device and basically use the QR code scanner that they have and scan it. Scan this image, and after you scan it, you'll get logged in into your WhatsApp web. Doing that, you'll have all of your previous chats and everything synced on your WhatsApp web. This is very similar to the web app or the app that you get of WhatsApp on your device, that is a Windows device, and the process is same. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.